how to make automatic repeating firing dispenser in Minecraft. So first what we want to do is just set your redstone repeater and make it so that it will look like this. So put it on this side and the other one on the other side, so it will look like the opposite of each other. Then get your redstone dust, put it just like that. Then put another redstone dust right here and put another repeater, which is away from the circuit right there. Once that's done, just get your redstone torch and put it beside the redstone dust to activate the circuit, and just remove the redstone torch. Then what you need to do now is just simply remove the redstone dust and put it back again, but you need to be really fast. So just like so, and as you can see, it is now on an infinite loop or a repeating loop right there. Then just put your dispenser right here, just like so. Now when I put some arrows on the dispenser, it will look like that. You'd also put a lever if you want, so let's just get a lever and just put it right here. Hold shift, then put the lever. When I activate it, as you can see, it stops, and when I activate it again, it just goes on. That's how you basically an automatic or the repeating firing dispenser in Minecraft.